You pull it up, and you gotta push the screw. The screw has to be pushed in. Push the screw, push it. See, that thing fall down by itself anyway. It's fall down. You gotta watch your fingers. I like my fingers got jammed in there many times, and this thing come out. The slide come out, barrel come out straight up, because there's a notch here. The barrel, the little hole here. See little cuts. This barrel fall down right in there, right in the cuts. You see the cuts right here with my finger? It fall down right in there. And you take it out. You can take this thing upside down. And this is pretty little silly design, but it's okay. And this thing has to go like this. Whatever you do, they must go like this. You know, they have to go like this. They have to lock each other some kind of way. They must lock each other like, let me see here if I can show you a better picture. They must lock like this. They must be on top of each other. Is there a better thing here? Like this. Right, don't go on top of each other. And when you put this thing, little pin you put in, this must go up. Okay, this stay up. They go right on top of it. Once it goes top of it, you put the slide in. Come on, baby, you better go in there. See? This is another problem right here. You can put this thing like this. I don't know. Or you can put this thing like this one. You can do it this way too. This might be better maybe. You know, you can put this thing, it got a little hole, it might be better. Sometimes you can do the other way, but you can do it this way too. Now it's in there. Okay, come on, let's see now. This notch right here, this notch must be up. This is the most important part right here. This notch right here, it must be upward. This notch, it must be up like this. This notch must face up. You see? It must face up. I wish I can show you better here. It must be up. Just like that. Up. Okay. I don't like breaking guns, but okay, now let's go like this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yep, that's okay. Yep, it better stay up. You see, I put it wrong, I think. Oh my God. That was so stupid. Okay. See where I made a mistake? No, I didn't make a mistake. Sometimes that's why I don't like. Yeah, maybe it's okay. I don't know what the hell. Oh, God help me. See, it's not working. Why it's not working? Why is not working? Maybe I gotta do it my other way. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. It's supposed to be this way, but I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna hold this thing like this. This was very easy for me. Okay, I'm gonna do it my way. Ow! You gotta watch your fingers. This is a dangerous gun. I don't like taking at this thing. You gotta watch your fingers where you're putting it. Okay. There's a couple of ways to do this thing, but no easy way. Some people they show this, but no easy way to do this thing. Unless you do it 100 times, maybe you can be a gunsmith. You gotta do it many, many times to make this thing happen. And plus, this thing has too many moving parts. There's a moving parts here. Let me show you here. Look how many moving parts here. There's a moving parts here. There's a moving parts here. Moving parts. This thing has too many moving parts. You gotta be careful with this gun. It has too many moving parts. You can cut yourself.